Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the character keybinds in Destiny 2. Let's begin by opening the game's option settings. Press this button right here, press the escape key or the corresponding key on your keyboard or controller, then go into settings. Make sure you're in the keyboard and mouse section. Scroll down to the character settings. And right here you can change your fire, reload, auto melee, charged melee, uncharged melee, hold zoom, toggle zoom, light attack, heavy attack, block, jump, hold sprint, hold crouch, toggle crouch, class ability, air, move, interact, grenade, super, breakout, transcendence ability, and switching to kinetic weapon, energy weapon, and power weapon. Switching weapon, overall, next weapon, previous weapon, and tactical ability. That was a mouthful, but that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.